What's up, everybody? This is Import Hater 56401 on YouTube. Sorry if I sound a little crappy. I'm just recovering from a sinus infection, so I feel like shit right now. Well, I just got my car fixed like 3 or 4 days ago. Thought it was head or intake gaskets because I was leaking a large amount of coolant, so I was thinking maybe both of them went out at the same time. Found out that the owner before me had actually replaced the intake and head gaskets and had the intake gaskets sealed with silicone. So, intake gaskets are good to go for the rest of the life of this motor. Head gaskets, I don't know, they probably just replaced them with basic head gaskets and whatnot. But, found out what was wrong is that I blew out the main engine cover, or the front engine seal, whatever you want to call it. So I got the new seal, new harmonic balancer, and a new serpentine belt, and this thing's running like new. So, well, let's take a look under the hood and see all the new shiny stuff. As you can see, the belt is like brand new. It's not even a week old yet. Probably can't see the harmonic balancer from here, so yeah. You can't really see the seal, but the seal is brand new, and I no longer leak coolant, so that's a good thing. Kinda glad I got this car back. I was tired of driving my mom's POS over there, the Chrysler Concorde. Thing's a piece of shit. Glad I got this back. I gotta finish fixing it up though. One of these days. I'll have this thing running like a dream. Well, let's fire her up, see what she sounds like. Sounds just like it did before. This runs a little better. Doesn't leak any coolant, which is always a good thing. Seems like it knocks a little less too. Not as bad as it used to, which is pretty good. The less knocking, the better. I'll let her warm up for a while. First time I've started up in like 2 days, so I'm gonna let her warm up. I'm gonna do a little walk around here. This car is nothing special right now, really. Haven't had the money to really do anything with it. Paint's chipping, because, yeah, I got a 96. It's one of the years where they weren't doing so good. And they chose to use really cheap paint and clear coat. So, you can see here, yeah, it's chipping. Next year, it'll have a new paint job. And the previous owners before me decided to put in their own sunroof. Well, they didn't do such a good job at sealing it off after they broke the hinge. So my sunroof currently leaks, which is not a good thing. I'm kind of glad it's about to frost over. It's pretty cold outside right now. So I'm really glad that it's starting to frost over, because then I don't have to deal with shit leaking in my sunroof. And yeah, more paint chipping on the hood. Yeah, like I said, bad year for Chevy. They were using cheap paint. Yeah, and then 97 they discontinued the Beretta. Go figure. Great cars, but they decided to get rid of them. I will always love this thing. It's been a great car to me. Always been cheap on repairs. Well, I think it's about warmed up now. Oh yeah, she's nice and warmed up. Listen to her now. Not much ticking at all. Let's give her a quick rev. She doesn't sound any different than it used to. Alright, well, that's about it for this time around. Hope you guys enjoyed. The car's going to be staying about the same for probably about another year until I got money to fix it up. So, this is about it for now.